Hello, Brian. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me the time and opportunity to share this video audio with you. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to go here on Google, and when I type in criminal lawyers Toronto, well, these guys over here, of course, these guys are paying per click, and that can get really expensive. So we go on page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and oh, there we are. This is where your website is at. So at the bottom of page 4. Now what does this mean? This means that when people are typing or they're actively looking for your service, you're not there in front of them. And I'm going to go very briefly as to why and what you can do to improve these rankings and possibly get all that traffic without having to pay per click as Mr. Daily Buyers is doing over here. So I did a little bit of some research on your competition that is ranking very well on the search engines. We did Mustang and OKIM Criminal Defense. So let's start off with OKIM Criminal Defense, and you'll see that one of the major things that these two have in common is a lot of backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are kind of like a vote coming back to your website. I'm not going to get into the whole technical aspect as to what kind of backlinks are good, what kind of backlinks are not good. But generally speaking, the more backlinks you have, the better it is. However, there's a lot of technicalities that go behind it as well that I'm not going to get into. Same thing over here with Mustang Law. You'll see they have almost 2,000 backlinks here from 183 domains, which is a good number, and they're getting a significant amount of traffic from that. Now, when we look at your law firm, unfortunately, the backlinks compared to what your competition has is not. I mean, you guys still, there's a lot of work that can be, there's a lot of room for improvement as far as, getting these backlinks is concerned. So that's basically, in a nutshell, that's one of the biggest factors that's hindering your rankings. So now, this is where we come in. My name is Salik, and I run a company called Leading Edge SEO, and we specialize in search engine optimization. And what we do is we help businesses explore these opportunities and be in front of these customers that are looking for them. And just to give you a perspective as to what you guys are missing out on. So we went into the Google AdWords keyword planner tool, and I just typed in, keywords that are relevant, or keywords that your ideal clients are probably searching for on the internet. And we're targeting Toronto, as you can see here on the left side. And just for the keyword criminal lawyer Toronto alone, you have 1,600 average monthly searches, which means that almost 1,600 every month on average, 1,600 people are making the search. Then for the keyword criminal law, criminal defense lawyer, Toronto criminal defense lawyer, you see all these add up, and the list just goes on, and all these add up, and you're missing out on thousands of searches, thousands of people that are looking at your business. And we're not saying that all of these people, you're going to get 1,600 calls, but even a small percentage of these people that are actively looking for your service, when they find your listing on the first page, because let's be honest, Brian, no one goes past the search page, the first search page, sorry. And if they don't find you on that, chances are you're not going to get that traffic. And so, and that's a lot of calls that you're potentially missing out on. So I would ask you if you would want me to map out a plan in which we can go over, uh, some strategies and implement some practices that can get you those rankings, that can guaranteed get you those results. I actually have a lot of experience working with law firms. um, then let me know. I'm going to put a Calendly link that shows my availability for the upcoming week, and feel free to schedule the strategy session in which we can go over some tactics and some doable measures, some things that can you can do in the short run and things you can do in the long run that will get you those rankings that you want. Also, just to let you know, this session will be free of charge. We will go over a complete audit of the website and go into the nitty gritty and even the back end of the website. You have a beautiful website, and I love the UX and UI of the website. I think it's very clean and on mobile as well, and there's a lot of potential for this website to generate sales and increase your revenue, which of course is something that every business wants. So I'm going to put that link I'm going to send that link on the email as well. Feel free to schedule a consultation with us, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you very much, Brian, and have a wonderful day.